Good morning! Right now I'm just gonna go find something to eat. Sharon already went earlier to go find food. Later on we're gonna go see some elephants and we're also gonna do some ziplining. We're riding on an elephant right now. So kind of unfortunate, the agency that we booked with, even though we're speaking English with her the entire time and asked her like 5 times if there was an English tour for this, she failed to tell this company that we wanted an English tour. So we're on a Mandarin tour and Sharon is just gonna translate everything for me. It's gonna be a tiring day for you.
Practice my Chinese.
Full of poop. I'll show you their poop. Where's the poop? Where is it? Poop. Wow, it's the poop. This is the best that we can do. Get a picture or video of our feet because we can't get the elephant and our faces in at the same time. Oh, hungry? Hungry? There are 2 different kinds of elephants here. So there's the Asian elephant and the African elephant. The Asian one said 2 bumps? 2 bumps. 2 bumps on his head.
And only the males have tusks. And then the African have the 1 bump on their head, and both male and female have tusks, but can have tusks.
We both purchased this photo, and we're both not like the typical sort of person that would buy souvenir photos, but the frame is really cool, and we both like the picture. We just wish that the guy was smiling. The frame here is made out of elephant food. How interesting is that? Elephant feeding, bananas, and sugarcane. Definitely like spat on the back of my legs, and Sharon's shirt is all dirty. It was fun though. It was so cute. They like, when you're holding a banana or something, they just like reach their trunks out and like start slurping it. All these ladies are selling the bananas and the sugar canes. 40 baht. Nap time. It's like right in front of their poop. Floating down the water. Squirrel. So this is where they do all the zip lining. Just having lunch first. To eat, and then we're gonna go to the market later tonight. I'm having pad thai even though I made it yesterday, and Sharon's having is it the green curry?
Yeah, green curry, even though I also made it yesterday.
Hello! Hello! We're back with Benny and then is the best market here? Pork ball? Look at all these superheroes he painted. He made all of these, and then this is what it looks like before he painted it. Very cool, and it's kind of like a wool inside. So we're looking to see how much stuff we got because we filled up our bags that we got from Hong Kong. Too much stuff. Whoa, actually doesn't look like as much. I got these heart lights. You can't really see, but they're hearts. White and pink. I'm gonna show you all the damage that we did tonight. We can basically open up our own store. We both got some elephant pants, some elephant shorts. We both got the same tank tops. I got some wallets, some postcards, some little keychains, some flowers for card making, some jewelry, pencil cases. Look at this apple that Sharon got. She just bought an apple. She bought an apple at the market. Just kidding, it's a candle.